Let me share with y'all what I've invested in as a 26-year-old work-from-home girly. My first big girl purchase ever was my Toyota Wigo. I chose to buy my own car kahit may car naman yung boyfriend ko because most of the time nasa work siya and hindi talaga ako nakakaalis ng bahay before without him. Hindi rin naman kasi talaga ako commute girly. Ito yung itsura ng loob ng sasakyan ko. Very simple lang with a touch of pink. Di ko na sobrang pinaganda kasi soon, secret. Now we're on our way to our second investment, but first, coffee. Every VA needs this. Di naman talaga ako GY shift, but yeah, still, hindi pwedeng hindi ako nakakapagkape sa isang araw. Alam nyo, ang sarap-sarap sa feeling kapag nakikita nyo na yung fruit of labor nyo, no? I never really thought na at 26 magkakaroon ako neto dahil lang sa pag-VA ko. I know naman nakatuwang ko yung boyfriend ko sa journey na to, but still, thank you Lord. We're here, and yes, house and lot ang second big girl purchase ko. I mean namin cause technically sa amin to ng boyfriend ko. Sa akin to nakapangalan kasi well, di pa naman kami kasal. Bobo ba ako? Ba't sa kanya ko ipapangalan? What if mag-break kami? Di kawawa naman ako. Eme! But yeah, it feels good kasi kahit magastos ako, I was able to save enough para maging confident na kunin namin tong bahay na to. Kanoin, gastos responsibly. And sira! Hindi ko nasasabihin saan kami exactly pero malamang isa dito. What made us say yes sa bahay na to? First, afford namin siya kasi may mga subdivision naman na sobrang mahal talaga. Second, wala kaming katapat na bahay and I'm so happy kasi yung tapat namin is amenities such as swimming pool, basketball court, clubhouse, and playground. Next year na kami lilipat dito and yeah, I'm so excited!